Today we're going to design a logo for some corn moonshine. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Aaron. I'm the creative director at Square Thunder. We work with the spirits industry to design logos and brands and all kinds of other materials to help support distillers and brewers who are trying to grow their business. If that's you, you can contact me at squarethunder.com. I'd love to chat with you. You're watching Fast Logo Friday, where every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. This is episode number 43, and our word today is pook. P-O-O-K. Do you know that word? There's a couple of different meanings, and I think it's kind of an amusing word, actually. A pook is a small stack of grain or hay or corn that's been piled up in the field during the harvest process. It's left there temporarily. You've probably seen old children's stories with haystacks out in a field, and that's exactly what a pook is. To pook also means to pinch or pluck something. So you might poke someone in the arm to bug them a little bit. And from that, we also get another meaning of the word. Pook can be when you hang a sweater or a jacket on a hook and it gets that little bump behind the collar. That's also called a pook. So there are some coat hooks designed to not do that. I don't have any, so all my sweaters have pooks on the back. But I don't wear a lot of sweaters, so, well, except today, I guess. Anyway, a pook, a small stack of grain to pinch somebody or to leave a little bump in your sweater on the back by the collar. Today I'm going to use the word pook to design a logo for some corn moonshine. So I'm going to kind of look at some existing moonshine logos and see what they look like. I think I have a rough idea where I want to go with this. But like usual, I'm going to start by sketching some rough ideas. Then we'll move into Illustrator, refine one of them a little bit further, and then from there I'll put together a few mock-ups and see what we can come up with. Thanks for watching Fast Logo Friday. Did you know the word pook before? Do you have sweaters with pooks in them? Do you like to pook at people? If you want to learn another random weird word and see the logo that I might be able to create from it, YouTube's going to make a couple of suggestions over here or maybe over here, I don't know. And I think you should probably watch those. Anyway, keep watching. Next week, even though it's Christmas, we're still going to have Fast Logo Friday. I'm just going to try to crank it out in advance, unlike today, where I'm cranking it out a little bit late. It happens sometimes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week, right here on Fast Logo Friday. Stay awesome.